Right, what about just one wee video of the Commando lock US set padlock. It's a 5-pin. It was sent to me by Bill donkeys ago. I'm not sure why I done a wee video on that, but there's a key for it. Works great. If you're wondering what that RB key is, you've all seen it before. It's just you can take a shackle out. Somebody discovered it. I don't know. Somebody on key picking or something. You take the shackle out, like guy change. Now we'll try and pick it here. Oh, here, I'll show you this here. What I discovered. Well, it's just a wee stupid thing, but I'll show you this anyway. Right, I was well showing you one. This one, the key is not smooth, it clicks round. It's a wee added security feature they added in the newer locks. Bit of tension on the core. So, I've seen on this one, I don't know how to tension the core, but on this lock here, I've seen this. It's pretty useless information, I'll show you this anyway. On this lock, if you just put a wee bit of tension on, see where the core like springs down. I don't know where it's got a spring and a ball bearing the tension the core or what it is, but that's just something useless that I discovered. Anyway, yeah, we'll try and pick it. Right. I'm thinking pin 5 might be a standard pin, so I would set him first. Pin 4 nothing, pin 3 nothing, pin 2 nothing, pin 1. Got a couple of wee clicks at him. Right, back to back. Pin 5. Pin, if I get on him, that is pin 4 nothing, pin 3 nothing, pin 2 nothing, which means pin 1 needs an RB click or big click, whatever the case may be. Right, so we've got a bigger click that time. Pin 5 seems to have fell down, so we'll put him home again. Pin 4 went over him, or just got a wee click, got an RB click out of pin 4. He feels set, so we'll look for another one. Pin 2 nothing, pin 1 nothing, so we'll miss some there. Right, so we're looking again, and we've got pin 5 feels okay. Pin 4, we're getting a wee bit of counter rotation that I missed the first time. Big false set. Right, go and check pin 5 again, because like I said, I think he's a standard. Pin 5's okay, pin 4's okay, pin 3's okay, and pin 1 seems to be giving a wee bit of counter rotation. If I could get on him properly. There we go. So he's set. Lock opens. And that's about it. Bye, thanks for watching. See you later.